if you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Gmail account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are adjusted correctly. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure you are logging into the account for which you want to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, click on the Security tab located on the left-hand side of the page. This section contains all the security-related settings for your Google account. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down until you see the Signing into Google section. Here, you'll find the option for two-step verification. Click on it to access the two-step verification settings. Step 4. Enter your password again. For security purposes, you will be prompted to enter your password again. Type in your password and click Next to proceed to the two-step verification settings. Step 5. Turn off two-step verification. In the two-step verification settings, look for the option that says Turn off or Disable. Click on it and follow the prompts to confirm that you want to disable two-factor authentication. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be turned off for your Gmail account. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password and regularly updating it.